Next Tuesday, a group of nurses at Houlton Regional Hospital say they'll begin a 4-day strike. The nurses say they're protesting what they call management's refusal to address concerns about emergency department staffing and its impact on patient care. The group says a new management team is no longer honoring an agreement on registered nurse staffing levels when pregnant patients arrive with urgent care needs. The strike is scheduled to begin at 6:45 Tuesday morning and continue through 6:44 Saturday morning. We reached out to hospital administrators to ask about nurses' concerns, but have not yet heard back. 2 men are recovering after a small plane crash in New Hampshire. Police say the pilot was trying to land at Jaffrey Airport when the aircraft veered off the runway and flipped onto its roof. This happened yesterday, by the way. Officials say the pilot and one passenger suffered serious injuries, but were conscious. The airport's manager says he was able to speak to the men before first responders arrived on the scene.
I mean, they were just concerned about their airplane and their personal possessions. So I think they're both going to be okay.
Medical helicopters flew both men to a hospital in Massachusetts. Investigators have not determined what caused the crash, though officials say wind might have been a factor. Three candidates for governor plan to rank each other in next month's primary. Shenna Bellows, Troy Jackson, and Hannah Pingree made that announcement today. They previously held an event together where they were all endorsed by the Sierra Club. The three candidates are holding an event next week and invited Senate candidate Graham Plattner to join them. Meanwhile, Plattner ranked those three candidates as his choices for governor. At an event last night, Plattner shared he ranked Troy Jackson first. The two were at a town hall on health care in Portland Wednesday night. Plattner said he and Jackson are closely aligned on labor and other policies. Jackson previously endorsed Plattner when Governor Mills was still in the Senate race. Both candidates are backed by Bernie Sanders and will be attending his Fighting Oligarchy rallies on Sunday in Orono and Monday in Portland. Plattner also shared that he ranked Shenna Bellows and Hannah Pingree.
Those three candidates, all of them, whether it's on issues of democracy and standing up to Donald Trump, whether it's around the environment, whether it's around like broader progressive values, they are the ones that I think most represent my value set and the kind of future of the Democratic Party and future of the American political system that I want to see.
CENTER Maine has confirmed with Plattner's team that he specifically ranked Bellows second and Pingree third. A new law will require insurance carriers to cover PFAS tests for people at high risk of exposure. Patients will still need to be recommended for the blood serum test by a doctor. The bill, signed into law early this year, requires insurance companies operating in Maine to cover medically necessary blood tests for PFAS chemicals under all health plans starting next January. If results show high PFAS levels, doctors recommend additional screening for other health markers in adults and children. The test costs between $400 and $600, which can be difficult for some patients to afford.
The question often arises, will my insurance pay for this? So that is a holdup for many of those folks, not knowing if coverage is available and being able to tell them, yes, your insurance is going to cover this.
The goal is to help patients and doctors better understand exposure and protect health over time. 600 families, meanwhile, qualify for free blood testing through the PFAS Fund.